welcome back to the vlog. It's Mario here, your certified Mexican. And check out this weather. It is so nice here out in Florida. For once it's not as hot and there's like a little breeze. I don't know if you can hear it, but anyways. It's also a good day because FedEx came by, and whenever FedEx comes by, you know what that means. Car parts, check them out. Well, you can't really see them because they're still in their boxing, but here we have the top for the convertible mechanism, and here we have the tank. I don't know if you guys remember from the previous videos, but the tank, the previous owner actually told me that the tank was a bit rusted and that it was gonna need replacing. I didn't believe him at the time, but as it turns out, I actually took this apart because the pump is right here and you're able to access the tank and just check it out. The tank is actually rusted. It's got quite a bit of rust in there. I don't know how it would happen, but I guess it's a thing for Miatas. So I'm gonna do an unboxing of the top and an unboxing and review of both of the items, as well as like an install video like I usually do. But the main thing that I want to get done today is clean the trunk. Here, I'm gonna show you guys. There was like a pond in this trunk, and you'll be able to tell by those lines that you see there. See, that's where the water sits. Hold on, let me see if I can get this light to like that. All right, so you see that line right there? That's where the water basically was. So it was up to here, and then it made obviously that's just surface rust. That's from that bracket right there. So you see that? That's from that. And then on this side, there's not a lot of rust, but there's a little bit of gunk. And I want to clean this bracket up, clean all this up. And would you look at that? There's some plugs. Looks like Mazda knew that there was gonna be some water issues, especially when you don't take care of your top. How unfortunate, but it's good that they have those plugs. Those aren't the only ones. There's one, two, and then there's another one right there, and then there's another one over there, and then there's one right there, and right there. So yeah, that's basically the main thing that I want to do today. I want to actually pressure clean it, and I'm gonna spray. This is like I put some liquid in here that is very special to Hispanics. If you know, you know. It's called Fabuloso. And this is what it looks like in its natural form. It's a bit of purple, but it has a really good smell, and that's why I want to use it to get rid of that just moisture smell, that like gunk. I don't even know what to call it, but yeah, I just want to get rid of it. So I'm gonna pressure clean it. I'm actually gonna take the car out of the garage and then pressure clean it out there, because obviously I can't pressure clean. I can, but a lot of stuff will get wet, and I don't want stuff to get wet. So I'm gonna move some cars out of the driveway. So you can see I have my 335i here, then my mom's 4Runner. I'm gonna move it out. Then I'm gonna take this car out there, and yeah, just start cleaning it. And hopefully, I'm planning on maybe also putting the top on the convertible mechanism that I have right here. But we'll see if I get there, because I want to give this trunk a thorough clean. So yeah. Oh, I'm also gonna remove the tail lights and check the seals, because there's some seals that go in between here, the tail light and the body of the car, and with time those seals actually go bad and let water in. So maybe that's the cause of why there was a puddle back here when I first bought the car. Unfortunately, I didn't take a video of like the puddle and things like that. I just wanted to drain it and get it over with. So yeah, I'm gonna include some probably before and after of the cleaning. And yeah, and if we get to the top, then I'll include that too. So stay tuned, guys. Enjoy the transformation, because this car's coming along quite well. Check out the interior. It's looking really good. Oh, there's like a flare, but look, check it out. It's looking minty clean. Got a brand new dash basically. So yeah, I'm gonna move the cars out and basically just get to work. Alright, so that was kind of embarrassing. I don't know if you guys will be able to tell in the time lapse, but the Miata just needed a little extra push because I think the battery was low. But now she's running because I disconnected the battery, but apparently it went down. I don't know, it decharged itself. I got the 335i running too because that also almost didn't start. But luckily that one did, but this one didn't. But this is the one that's important right now, the Miata. Anyways, here, let me pop the trunk and give you guys a further look during the daytime. Oh, you guys can check it out. Look at how clean she looks on the inside. On the outside, it still needs work. See all that? This is why I got the bumper, because this one's a little bit faded. So the new bumper looks a lot better. And this is what we're gonna work on today. Check it out. All of that. See, it looks better with daylight. All of that. I'm gonna remove these two. That way I can clean up all this gunk, and yeah, all the gunk behind there. And I'm also gonna cover this with some sort of plastic. That way when I pressure wash it, none of the inside gets dirty. And then yeah, should be a pretty light day. Hopefully I can get to the top. I think I can. Forgot what time it is, but I should be able to. There's still enough sunlight, and if anything, I'll just turn on the lights and like work on it just a little bit. Maybe try to start, you know, putting it back together. So yeah, so now I'm just gonna get the pressure washer and prep the car and get cleaning. So enjoy the process. I'm going to show you guys a little before and after, and yeah, check it out. How to clean a Miata. Alright guys, check it out. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Would you look at that? Just as I suspected. See how that's all gunked up? It's part of the problem, guys. It's part of the problem. So if your Miata's leaking water in the trunk, this could be why. Look at how gunked up that it tore apart as soon as I took it off. Look at that. See all that? I gotta clean that up before I reinstall it, and then I gotta get me another one of these. It's part of the problem. It's a cheap fix, but it could mess up your whole rear part of the car, your trunk, things like that. So keep that in mind, just in case any of you guys watching own a Miata. That could be why you're getting water back there. That or your top, or amongst other things that I'll probably make another video about sometime in the future. Right now I'm just prepping everything, you know, taking all this out, and then I'm gonna vacuum and then spray and take this one out, and then just get to cleaning. here you join me in my head. As you can see, we're gonna start the cleaning process with the brush, the Fabuloso that I put in some Hot Wheel tire and shine cleaner or whatever. So yeah, all we're basically gonna do is spray it down, brush it down, and then power wash it afterwards. So on, choke, prime the water. So before, see all this gunk, all that gunk. After, look at all that. Alright guys, check it out. This is how it turned out. A lot cleaner than before. I don't know if you were able to see clearly in the video all the gunk that was around here. Got rid of that. Apparently I got rid of the trunk too. She's coming out pretty nice. Like I said, every step forward is just, it gives me a lot of hope. She's gonna look really good actually. I like the way she's cleaning up. I'll include some like before and after pictures. It's getting late. The sun is going down. In like another hour or so it's gonna get dark. So I think I'm just gonna pull the car in and call it a day. And maybe on the next video I'll make just a video on the top and like how to install it and things like that. And then I'll do the gas tank and so on and so on. But yeah, so if you ever want to pressure wash your interior, I mean your trunk, you can definitely do it. Just open up the holes right here. That one's already open. You don't have to. This one right here. There's another one right here, and then there's another one more up there. And then I would recommend removing your tail lights just to see if that rubber seal is good or not. Just you never know. And yeah, if you want to clean it up a little bit, pressure washing is the way to go. And just make sure that none of the water gets through here and in here. As you can see, this is still pretty dry. Well, actually not that dry. There's like a little bit of water, not a lot though. I'm probably gonna clean that up. But yeah, just make sure that no water gets through here. I put like a blanket here, that way water wouldn't seep through it and get into our nice little carpet that we just got. So until next time, that's gonna be it for today's video. I can't wait, honestly. This is exciting. I just want to be done with the car already and just have it looking good. But it takes patience. It takes a lot of patience and money sometimes that I don't have. But anyways, like, comment, subscribe, share the video with your fellow Miata owners if you think they'll get something out of this video or any of my other videos. And keep watching. Appreciate you guys.